Want to stream your Steam Deck gameplay directly to YouTube? Here's a quick step-by-step guide. First, make sure your Steam Deck is updated to the latest SteamOS version and connected to a stable Wi-Fi. Install OBS Studio or Streamlabs OBS on your Steam Deck through desktop mode. You can find it in the Discover store. Open OBS and go to Settings. And then in Settings, go to Stream. In Stream, select Service and then select YouTube RTMPS. Now log into your YouTube account or paste your YouTube stream key, which you can find in your YouTube Studio under the Live tab. Set up your scenes and sources in OBS, add your game capture, microphone, webcam, or overlays if you want a more professional look. Now adjust your bitrate and resolution. Go back to Settings and then go to Video and make your resolution 1080p and go back to Streaming and Output and then Streaming and set your bitrate to something like 6000. It works great for most Steam Deck users. Now click Start Streaming in OBS and your Steam Deck gameplay will instantly broadcast to your YouTube channel. And that's it, you're now live streaming. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. And don't forget to leave us your thoughts in the comments.